Balloons are going to be going to the north. Now you're going to see sometimes the balloons going in circles from the prop wash. You must remember when you're flying behind an airplane, underneath it, there's prop wash and wake turbulence. It's a big 747, you're in trouble if you're underneath that thing. Racetrack pattern around to the right, big oval. Each pilot gets 2 balloons, 2 passes. The Baron and I will have a contest. The Baron gets the Navy, I get the Army Inner Corps, which is blue and yellow. I'll give you the Waco, the checkerboard tail, and you got Frank Isbell. Okay, so I got everybody else. Army Air Corps and Navy. We did not have a standalone Air Force until 19. During World War II, it was the United States Army Air Corps. The United States Army Air Force to land. Now these are about the same speed that the airplanes flew in World War I. They're very slow. They fly 85 miles an hour with these Continental engines built in Michigan. The reason they're built in Michigan, all car manufacturing was stopped during World War II. Those plants were turned into airplane manufacturing plants. All right, the Waco UPF-7, that's you. Leads the attack. Balloon. What happened to the balloon? I didn't even see a balloon. He didn't need it. Up there. Okay, let's try again. We need a better release now. There's the balloon now. Sorry, Baron, that wasn't your fault. You gotta go down. One for me. United States Army Air Corps.
One for the Army Air Corps.
I'm going to give you a pass on that. All right. That's it. Release a little early, so they got a shot at it anyway. All right, there's the balloon, rising quickly. We're closing in. That's you, Barrett. Checkerboard tail. We're tied up, one apiece.
One for the Navy.
Watch for the balloon to be going. There it is in circles. See that prop wash I was telling you about? Wake turbulence. That's it, boys. Burn. Right to the top of the batting order. John Pocock and the Weaver Aircraft Company will control the might be
Alright, he's supposed to get 2 balloons. Oh, wait a minute. Something fell off his airplane.
Did?
Yeah, he lost his goggles, flying helmet, carburetor, or something. I think I'm going to go find it and sell it back to him.
The pilot lost his wallet. All right, here we go on another one. I think John got 2 with that. That's slow.
Recon misses. That was how many for the Army? That was 2 for the Army Air Corps.
All right, there's the balloon way up there. Beautiful
Dave.
job by Dave. Now you're going to see Dave giving us the most breathtaking aerobatics in that airplane in just a few minutes.
Got 3 for the Navy.
Hard to see today, and the winds are not making it easy. Balloon is a treetop height. Too low. Missed that one. This one might be a little easier. Here we go. You better go down for it. Yeehaw! Oh, and you missed, but he sure was a good try. Wow. All right.